Okay, it's been a long time. Let me introduce the update of my private dojo. First of all, I think I show a little bit, but そんなにアップで来なくても大丈夫だよ。So, I put the three scrolls on the main and the front side. This is the scroll from Ise Shrine, Ise-Jingu Shrine. It's Amaterasu Mikami. That's my respecting God. So that's why I put the scroll here. This is kind of interesting. It's a weapon holder, katana holder, but made from deer horn. So I put this is the bokken from Kashima Jingu, Kashima Shrine, and this is Fukidashi. So that's something new. Then I have two other scrolls from my respecting sensei, Kinoshita sensei. And this is the poem of the O sensei, the founder of Aikido, and this is Ki of Ki written by Kinoshita sensei. It's almost similar as the Abe sensei's written form. Abe sensei is the 10th degree of the black belt in Aikido. Okay, and for me here, I made another weapon holder here. These are the mostly the practice practice zone, and for the Iai, Tamboken, Jo, Tanto. So I put this wall so I can place this weapon holder. These are some tenugui. Tenugui is like a Japanese towel. This is Dojo, written by Yamauchi Toyotake sensei. He is the descendant of Yamauchi Kazutoyo. And our Eishinryu style is Yamauchi. So this is the calligraphy written by Yamauchi Toyotake sensei. He is very famous. He was a very famous the Shodo artist, and this is his written too. So Musojikiden Eishinryu, which is our sword style, and this is just a Yamauchi. There was a demonstration in Kyoto, so I kind of put it in this way so it kind of looks nice. And this is the gift that I brought back from Kazakhstan, so I put it, in my wall. Saka dynasty, which is very powerful kingdom, I would say. Okay, and this is another scroll from Kinoshita sensei. I put it here. It's a small one, so that's why I put it here. Gansaku Tanniki, so which is related with Aiki breathing. And this is another good update. Big hole size mirror. So when you practice Iai, this is also movable. I can move it. So the same size of glass we have here. We have another set of the glasses here. So we have two sets and small one here. Okay, then this is for more like Aikido training. This is like a mattress. So I wanna do sometimes, Iai, and sometimes I wanna do Aikido. So this is maybe pretty much 2 pair, 3 pair, good size for 2 pair, 3 pairs. Maybe eventually I will keep adding so I can put the whole mattress in this dojo. And this is the last one. I think I already introduced, but this is my handmade practice tool, healing planner. So I made it here. So this is so far my dojo's update. So, こっち来て。So, this is the update so far. You know, it's been very nice. Maybe I might want to have some armors or some, you know, decoration on the wall, but it's always nice. So, this is update for my dojo. Okay.